So students, the question number 7, exercise 8.2. Question number 7, okay, and it is little bit long calculation. A milkman sold to his buffaloes for rupees 20,000 each. One of he made a gain 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find the overall gain and loss. Find the overall gain and loss. Okay. So this question, if anyone can solve it and send it to your peak of your answer. Those were Chandranath, send it to the answer. Okay, let us check Chandranath answer right or wrong. Yes, right, Chandranath. Anyone else? Question number 7. Anyone else? So I am taking the first and second. Sneha, okay, Sneha, I am checking. No, Sneha, your answer is not right. Sneha, your answer is not right. Wrong answer, Sneha. Your answer is wrong. Okay, look at the board. The first buffalo and second. In the first buffalo, I am taking that loss. I am taking profit. Okay. So cost price 20,000 and profit percentage 5. Oh, that is sold price. 20,000 is the sold price, not cost price. 20,000 is not the selling price. Say 20,000 is the selling price, not cost price. That is selling price. Okay. Sold to answer. So SP equal to, and that is profit 5%. Now we know that SP equal to 1 minus 1 plus profit by 100 into CP. So we have SP and profit. So we need to find CP. So SP equal to 20,000. That is 105 by 100 into CP. 105 by 100 into CP. So CP equal to 20,000 into 100 by 105. 20,000 into 100 by 105. Okay. Now calculate it. 5, 21, 5, 20. So 2 2s are 4. 21. So that answer will be 1904,762. That is the cost price of the first buffalo. That is the cost price of the first buffalo. And second buffalo, SP equal to rupees 20,000 and loss equal to 10%. Then CP. So SP formula, SP equal to 1 minus loss by 100 into CP. So SP 20,000, 1 minus loss 10%, 100 into CP. So 20,000 into 90 by 100 into 90 by 100 into CP. So 0 0. So CP equal to into 10 by 9. 10 by 9. So 20,000 So that answer will be 22,222.22. Okay. Total SP equal to 40,000 and total CP equal to total SP equal to 40,000 and total CP equal to 19047.62 plus 22. So that answer will be 41269.84. That is the CP. 412.64. So here CP greater than, where CP greater than SP. CP, can you see the board, students, that portion? Okay, so CP equal to, total CP equal to 41,269.81. Now to CP and SP, here CP greater than, so I am running the first portion. CP greater than SP. So loss equal to CP minus SP that is 41,269.84 minus 40,000. So that is 41269.84. That is the answer. Okay, students, due to the time we have solved on the only one question. Next day we'll try to solve the two questions. Okay, next day I will try to solve. Okay, that question. Okay, that a phrase video of that question, exercise 8.27 will be uploaded in your YouTube channel, in our YouTube channel. Okay, that phrase video of that question will be uploaded. In that question will be uploaded, that is like offline class in whiteboard. Okay, that question will be uploaded because it little bit difficult calculation. So student, thank you, bye.